Welcome again to the ACE channel, where we look at some of the ACE products that are on sale from us. Remember, we sell anything from a connector to a radio mast, and all brands from Intel to Zartec. Let's have a look at what we'll be doing today.
Hey guys, today we will be having a look at a rather unique product, not an electronic device though, nothing electronic, but it comes in as an accessory from us. And it is this little guy. Look at this little nice box. I bet you guys are wondering what's inside this. Okay, well, this is such a necessity for any RF technician that works in the field and know how difficult it is to always have the right connector. So what makes this special is the fact that it is a multi-connector adapter kit. It is awesome because what you can do with this device is you can take a N female connector and you can make a N female straight through N female to N female by just adding this little part in the middle. If I can get it out. That's better. Let's see. So by inserting this little part in there and putting on the other end that I need, you'll see I can basically have an N male to an N male adapter. Okay, so if I take this out, put this one back and see maybe if I've got an N male to a BNC male. There's my BNC male adapter. Okay, and we'll just insert it in there. So we now have an N male to a BNC male adapter. Or I can have a BNC male. Let's put that one back there. And put it in there. Take a BNC. And we make a BNC, let's say, to a, what about an SMA female? So we'll put it in. You have to be careful because there's a little pin on the inside. So I've got an SMA female to a BNC male. This is such a handy, unique little toolkit that I don't think any decent radio technician can go to a site without something like this. So it's just basically a short little video to show you our little adapter kit. And I'm going to bring it closer so you can see what it actually is all about. You have N males, you have UHF males, SMA males, BNC males, TNC males, and I think that was called, that's RFU 600 was the code for it. I can't remember what the part number on those was. It was TNC. Yes, that's right, it was TNC. Now I remember. And here's your females. So female ends, female UHF, female SMA, female TNCs, female BNCs, and obviously RCA. I see they've got RCA here. Okay, the only thing that this does not have on some devices, but mostly cellular devices, and mostly, as far as I can remember, cell phone car kits, and also routers like 2.4 gig, 5 gig routers, they have reverse polarity SMA connectors on. In other words, where this is a male with a little pin in the middle, and of course the little hole in the middle is female, they have it the other way around, In other words, the male side has the little hole in the middle, and where the hole is, usually it's got a pin. So that's called reverse polarity. This kit does not have that in, but I suppose this is aimed at the 50 ohm market, in other words the RF radio, 2A radio market. And what I do like about this is the fact that you have two sets of everything, not just one, you've got two sets of everything. So this will allow you to connect anything to anything. Nice decent hard sponge that you have there, and a nice durable case that it comes in. So there you go. What do I think about this? I think this is a necessity. It is not too big. It fits on basically in my hand, as you can see. I can carry it. It has a nice durable case that it comes in. A leather, probably not genuine leather, but a leather feel case. And yes, I just wanted to leave this with you. Very reasonable price. And believe me guys, if you've been in the field like I have been, this is valuable. It is priceless if you need this in the field and you have a kit like that. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to get the new updates.
Thank you for watching another great review from Ace Comms. Please like, subscribe and share our videos. Also feel free to send a comment, request for a review or just a shout out. Stay safe till next time.